is Sepia. I'm from the class 3D major civil engineering, Medan State Polytechnic. So, I want to tell or describe about transportation for that often used for construction. One which of truck. Truck is one of the types of vehicle that are also frequently used as transportation equipment in Indonesia. Transport here is certainly not a human of transport, but means of transporting goods or material, such as woods, mining material, stones, or anything else. There are so many of these that can be found on the market that they are sold because of their very many function. And there are several types and uses. 1. Called diesel ankle. This is small enough and suitable for use on small streets like the alley. The maximum load that can into a vehicle that's often referred to as CDE is 2 tons. 2. Called diesel double. This is also commonly known as the CDD, which is also small in the size, and the maximum capacity this vehicle can carry 4 tons. 3. Trontan. This is a truck with a pretty large number of tires, which is 10 of them, for maximum load that can be carried by vehicle is 10 tons. 4. Fuso. This one's almost identical to the diesel double. The capacity he can carry is up to 7 tons. 5. Trailer. This is one of the kind of truck that's in heavy weight, and for the maximum load this vehicle can carry it weight 26 tons. This is a big class transport vehicle that can carry another vehicle on top of it. 6. Pick-up. Pick-up that doesn't as a transport vehicle with small capacity and plenty of own for personal needs. The maximum capacity that can be carried by pick-up is 2 tons. 7. Wingbox. The advantage of this vehicle is that the lift and back sides can be opened up for maximum capacity different depending on type. And the last, 8. Container. For this one is better known as the packaging crate that was deliberately made to store and carry large and safe. For the size of the container itself, there are 3: high cap, 20 feet, and 40 feet. And there are 2 types of container for dry containers. Okay, it is a little story that I can convey to you, and thank you for your attention, and bye-bye!